Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Discover the truth about the Toyota Premio 240 in this video as we delve into whether it's truly worth the hype or just another scam. We discuss the reasons why the Toyota Premio 240 might be overrated and provide you with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Watch now to find out if the Toyota Premio 240 lives up to its reputation. First things first, let's talk about the Toyota Premio 240 and why it's been causing a stir in the automotive community. This car has sparked quite the controversy, with many questioning its authenticity and quality. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the claims and allegations against the Toyota Premio 240. There have been whispers and suspicions about the legitimacy of this vehicle, leaving many potential buyers skeptical. To get to the bottom of this, we need to delve into the features, history, and reviews of the Toyota Premio 240. By exploring these aspects, we aim to provide you with a comprehensive overview of what this car is all about. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for, the reveal of any hidden truths, scandals, or information that may shed light on whether the Toyota Premio 240 is indeed a scam. Get ready, because we are about to uncover some shocking revelations. From the controversies to the features, we've covered it all. Now, it's time for my final thoughts on whether the Toyota Premio 240 is a legitimate vehicle or a total scam. Before we sign off, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content investigating automotive scams. Your support means the world to me.